Welcome back to the Forge. I'm Rob. Let's make something. Okay, so today, guys, got us a little wedge here. Splitting wood. Pachow. It's a strong metal, but it's made to bend, not break, so it may not get super duper hard. But it will get hard enough for what I have planned for this. I am thinking about turning this into an axe head. Something neato, something kind of in the spirit of Halloween. I don't have a lot of clearance in my forge, but we still can turn this into something, I think. If not, we'll have to switch over to a coal forge, and that might be fun in itself. It's been a little bit of time since I played one of those. So let's get the forge heated up. We're gonna toss this in there, and then we're gonna start beating it up. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with our big hammer. We're going to use this end here to try to draw out that wider end of the wedge, the impact side. We're going to try to draw that out and kind of give us a little bit of a flap so that we can work it out to make our axe head, or our face, I guess it's called. But got to use a big heavy one because it's a lot of metal. Okay, so just a little bit more, kind of get the shape a little bit. Then we're going to kind of round out the outsides of the blade. And then we're going to squish down the part where the eye is going to go. The hole. And we're going to squish that down, taper all that flat part. Kind of square it out a little bit, because the thin part of that I'm going to kind of round out and make kind of like a spike. Only because I think it looks cool. But we got to kind of thin down that middle area a little bit so that we can drift out. So that we can drift out our eye in the first place. So let's go ahead and finish shaping up that cutting edge a little bit, giving it kind of the arches that we need. And then we'll start thinning that down and we'll go from there. Guys, this thing's looking like an axe a little bit to me. What about you? Get down in the comments, let me know what you think. Okay, so. Okay. Stop. So. I'm kind of digging the shape. It at least looks like an axe, a lot better than my tomahawk I made before. I do got to figure out how to get everything straight with a hole in it. That part seems to be a little bit difficult. Not quite. And we got to make that hole a little bit bigger. But almost. Give me a thumbs up. This is hard. Wet. Let's go and quench this thing. Okay, so threw it on the grinder for a second, just kind of cleaned it up, add a point. That's kind of straight. I can clean the rest up when I finish getting it cleaned up. See you. But from a wedge to an axe head. I'm gonna call that a nailed it, guys. But if you are interested in seeing this wrapped up, sign up to my Patreon. It'll be on there soon enough. $2. Or at some point it might end up on my Facebook page. I'm not sure. But we nailed it for today, guys. If you haven't already, give me that thumbs up. All that helps me, that helps my channel get moved up in the searches. Your likes, your subscribe, your comments, all of that helps out my channel. The more that you help my channel, the larger my channel can grow and hopefully afford me the ability to bring you more videos and eventually one day just switch over to doing this full time. I know I still got a long ways to go, but we are baby stepping the mess out of it, guys. Until next time, be cool and make cool stuff.